Okay, let me just go ahead with display capture. Okay, so as you can see right now that we are almost nearing the 17th March expiry here, and currently I'm kind of uh, I'm having two positions per se. So I'll just quickly show you how I'm placed for this particular expiry. So if you see that we've seen a very good cap up today, and the cap up has been actually kind of sustaining there. So what I've done is I've kind of reduced my risk exposure in the upside. Okay, and like I'll again show you in the charts what my view would be. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's my trade in Kotak Securities account that I'll be kind of doing. In fact, I'm in the position, and currently I'm kind of in a profit of 232 rupees, as you can see, which is approximately 0.2 to 0.3% ROI on my capital. I entered this trade at 10 a.m. right? So let's just go to the charts and see something exciting. So as you can see that this is the chart for Bank Nifty, and this is the chart for Nifty futures, and this is how we are placed at the moment. So as you can see that there was kind of a divergence, an RSI divergence that came in, and as a result of which we are actually seeing a good decent fall, right? And as of now, I don't think 70,200 would be broken on the lower spectrum, which is this particular level. Given the reason is pretty simple. If you look at the OI data, which we can see from here, you'll see that the OI is there's a quality sound build-up of puts at 17,200. So I don't think that this is going to be broken at any cost, right? So that is there. Yeah, so that's that. Again, if you look at the historical option chain as well, 70,200 looks to be a very good, very good support as of now. Expiry range 70,200 to 17,400. I don't exactly see any moves beyond that. When we look at the chart, I think 70,350 looks to be a very sound resistance there. And as you can see that we are kind of inching down, and that could mean that 70,200 and 17,250 straddle players could be making some good money out there. So as of now, as I said, that I don't see 70,200 getting broken in the Nifty. And if you see for the Bank Nifty, it's around 36,300 odd levels where very good support can be expected. So both the RSIs are actually kind of in a declining trend, as you can see. The relative strength is actually the strength is actually kind of weakening as far as the charts are concerned. Now as you can see that Bank Nifty super trend is still on a bullish territory, and they are trying to play it at the VWAP level, so it will be a crucial level as we can see currently. And we all can be prepared for wild moves coming in the expiry day. And yeah, so that's that. And so this is how I'm positioned right now, and as you can see that this is my Kotak Securities account trade, which I'm currently sitting on a profit of rupees 245. And as you can see that even if we get a minor pullback of around 17,250 odd levels, then we can expect some decent decent profits. As you can see that 4,170 is the maximum profit potential that we are seeing, right? And any move below 70,250 could be dangerous. Of course, I have quite some space up to 17,150 levels. So once we break 70,200, I think then this particular trade could be in some trouble out there. As I said, that upside, I'm okay with taking a loss of around 730 rupees. Which is approximately 0.7% of my capital. and I'm playing, as I said, that I'm playing for about 1.5 to 2% of my capital. Let's see how this trade goes. It's an expiry, tomorrow being a holiday. It's going to be a special expiry, of course, and there could be some wild moves coming in, so you have to take care of that. And as you can see that right now we are looking at 17,280 as the spot data, and yes, so that's from my end. And so I hope this particular session helped you. Just do leave me some feedback over there, because I would like to know that how you feel about these sessions and what you want me to exactly help you out with. Of course, this is my first live session, so I kind of faced some glitches in the technical front, and I'm kind of now used to the setup, I would say. I hope I was audible, my screen was visible, and this was the session that I wanted to conduct. And once we are more comfortable, I would be happy to take more and more live sessions on expiry days, so that it helps us to grow as traders, as options traders. Yeah, so on that note, I wish you all the luck for this particular expiry and also ahead. And till we meet again, keep trading, keep enjoy trading, and definitely more than anything else, keep your capital safe. Okay, so yeah, thanks for that. And just before heading, let's just see what is the chart saying. So as you can see that this is the levels, 17,290 levels on the Nifty futures chart. As you can see that we are kind of heading for a minor pullback, and you can expect these guys to play it up to the 17,270 odd levels, given that that's a VWAP, right? So altogether, it's going to be an exciting expiry. Right now, we are heading for some pullbacks, I would say. And of course, you can mark this particular level, the day's high 70,350 on the Nifty futures chart, and that could play out as a very interesting, I would say, level. So yeah, as of now, I think 70,400 to 70,200, that's the level that we can expect the expiry to be. It's a buy on a dip market, so any major dip that is coming in, you may safely expect that to be bought into. So yeah, that's the update. And if you want to see how my chart looks, this is how we are placed, and I'm sitting on a profit of 277.5 on a capital of around 75,000 on this particular account. Of course, I have another trade also positioned in my Zerodha account, which I don't want to discuss at this moment, because it can just confuse you. So let's just focus on this trade and see how things shape up there. So here, as you can see that the OI data, as I said, that a very good solid put build up at 17,200. In fact, if you see 17,300 puts have also been written more than 17,300 calls. So this could make the expiry game a little more tricky also. So let's see. I mean, if you look at the overall option chain, then 70,300 call is a decent enough resistance. But yeah, if you look at change in OI, then 70,300 puts have a good build up there as well. So we are kind of in the 70,290 mark, and let's see how things play out. Right, so on that note, I'll close this live stream. I'll let you guys trade the expiry on the levels, on the basis of the levels that I've given. Very simply, what you can do is you can go to Sensible Strategy Builder, and you can build a custom strategy as far as our analysis goes. So you can sell some puts, and you can just sell some calls. Yeah, this is something which you can, this is a trade that you can even take now, right, on basis of the analysis that we did. Okay, so it will require a capital of around 39,000, and you can expect around 500 rupees in this. So yeah, just go ahead and you may take a note of this particular trade that you might want to take, right? So this is just a trade suggestion, and of course, if any of these levels get broken, that is if you are on the verge of breaking 17,400, approximately at around 17,385, 390, you should be squaring up your calls. That's my view. And same goes for the downside. If you're breaking 17,200, you might want to square off the puts, right? So you can also short 70,200 P. I think that's a safe bet, right? So you can take this particular trade if you want, which can give you a decent return, right, of about $770 on a capital of 40,000. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And so till we meet again, stay well, stay safe, enjoy trading, and keep your capital safe. Thank you.